Jimmy's call just got me off my bed and I'm going to pick up my delivery. I told someone to actually pick it up and put it at the door, so you might be wondering how opening the door straight away will help me get my package. And the idea is I'm trying to be responsible to stay indoor this time. And here's the little package. And the most important thing is you have to give somebody your OTP to help you pick up your package. Without that, as usual, you won't be able to, the person won't be able to retrieve your package. But trust me, it was seamless. I think about 2 days or so, I have my package. So now's the time for the main event. Time to unbox this. Well, you must not forget, it's very important, sanitize. You don't want to contact anything as a result of you buying something, or just try as much as possible to sanitize. When you're done, wash your hands again to be sure that you're clean. So let's get back to business. So here is the box. It has arrived, and if you've been following the channel, you would have noticed that some days ago I talked about getting a little box. I got it like 2 days ago or thereabout, and yes, today is my birthday. I'm recording this on my birthday, and thank you for your birthday wishes. Thank you all. And I also got this one, and as you know, there is no unboxing without our tool. Very important. So it's time to go and see what we got inside. Actually, I ordered some things. I'm not quite sure what this is anyways, but let's see. Wow. And trust me, it's not like I know that this is the package I'm supposed to get, because I ordered one more thing before this. I ordered a case that's like a spring guard. I was thinking that would be what I would get, but I had a feeling that the box was just unnecessarily bulky for the case. So it's a selfie stick that I purchased, and this is the sales, blah 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 blah. Thank you for shopping, and all the whole Jumia stories. And by the way, this is the main thing we're talking about here. This is the main reason we're here, because I'm actually using a very mini phone holder, more like a desktop holder, but I need something like a selfie stick. So I went on Jumia, checked, I found so many brands, but I think out of all of them, I prefer this one. It could be function as a table stand. At the same time, it could function as just, you can have it like a tripod, standing alone. So I just want to, let's see what we've got inside, and see this beautiful. Wow, I got some extra lenses as a gift, so universal clip lens. Perhaps we'll examine. Now I got this universal clip lens, so maybe we'll find another time to talk more about this. It came just kind of a complimentary package with what I purchased. So the main thing I purchased is this, what's the name again? Wireless remote shutter for iOS. So the world first mini tripod with 3 integrated self timer. So actually, I bought it because it works for iPhone. I could want to use, and I want to record with my phone sometimes. So this could actually serve both purposes. So this is what it looks like. Just like the size of my palm actually. So you can have this in your bag and nobody would know, or it won't even make any effect. You have your little remote controller, kind of a shutter to time your photographs. And the most important part, I need sometimes my phone to be supported, held without that shaking or anybody holding it. So having it stand and having a good wide range could also help me take good pictures. Not just good pictures, I want to record some things. I don't want to use my camera, and I want to just use my phone. This will always do justice to that. But let's see how it works actually, because that's the most important part. For this purpose, I will use my old phone just to see how that will help me. It seems like Is it okay? Yeah, so that's it. You stretch it out. From what I saw, it could stand for about, okay. So you can see the entire length. Case properly, pull out, just like your umbrella those days, remember? I don't think they still make umbrellas like that. And what you have to do is unscrew the cap. When you unscrew the cap, you have the tripod exposed, and bring it down backwards again, and come on, don't embarrass me. My village people have come here again. Alright, so okay, I'll walk around that, but I know it should just slide down easily. But okay, got it now. So actually, I still have a little left to cover and part of it, because you will see that this doesn't make sense currently. You would ask yourself, what is the point of having a tripod whose legs are like that of penguins? So what I have to do now is show you some little parts. You will see those little components, and those are the most important part. To make this work, you would see that this is supposed to slide up and fill up that part. You could see how it works. It's supposed to slide up, and you see. So all you have to do is twist this little part here away from it so that it does not flap up anymore. You see, it can go. Then you use this to secure it, this little base to secure it, and make sure that this secures the gap between this and this is now sturdy. Even though it's not so strong, but it will still do a decent job. That's the most important thing. I just wonder if this can hold the weight of an iPad. I'm not quite sure, it's not been tried, but I think you have to be sure you try it on a soft surface, not on tiles or concrete, if you don't want to lose a phone to 3,500 practical. So this is what it looks like, full length, just about the length of my arm. You can see this is about 75 centimeters, full length, 75 centimeters, and you can adjust the top. You can adjust this. All you have to do is release the lever here, and once you get your desired position, you lock it again. Another thing, good feature is this: it can take any phone. All you have to do is adjust, pull up, pull down. So let me try my old bricked phone and see how that works. Easy, right? Straight up. Once again, and you can see the stretched part at the back. By the way, if you know anywhere I could fix a Verni phone, I think I'll be pleased if you could share that with me. I tried several places just to get some of my important old pictures, data back, and no way. Okay. Okay, sliding it, adjusting, and so the most important thing is, please, please, and please, your kids should never run around this. It will not stand a hard push. The idea is just for you to hold the phone still. You can see a little tug, it will withstand, but do not push hard. It's gonna ruin the entire thing. So, still fidgeting for a while, but it will stay still. I don't know if it will survive a windy environment, perhaps taking pictures outdoor in a windy setting, but I'm sure that at least you can have a decent photograph with this. Set it right, adjust it, make sure you have the region you want to cover, and you're good to go. To me, it's a decent buy for the value. I've seen other variations where you have camera lights reflecting from here, so you had extra lighting, but I just felt those lights were not gonna be a deal maker for me because they're not so bright either. And yeah, I'll find some children around the light to pop this, and that's it. Little selfie stick with a tripod, but I think it would be very, very good for perhaps a tabletop recording. Surely this will be okay. It's just that I have to walk around making sure this is balanced. I'm not quite sure how to go about it, but that's one thing. Yeah, it's pretty fair now. You just have to adjust it so you get the desired. Oh, great now. So I think it will withstand anything at this short length. But the higher you go, know that the balance will not be sufficient, because ideally having just these 3 legs supporting a very long pole is not ideal. If I'm going to get something more professional, it will be the 3 legs, the tripod actually, having the extension almost from the base and having a firm grip on the ground. Well, this one hurts. It's just a selfie stick first. Then if you want to extend it to stand and take some recordings, it should still do the job. So that's it. You can see the camera. It has full camera 360 if you're using iPhone, so you just have to install it and make some settings. However, if you're using Android, you would see that you have your own little button here. Actually, I just used it to start this video. It's very important because with this shortcuts, all you have to do is strike your pose anywhere you are, hit on it, take your shots. You don't have to use the timer and keep smiling, wasting your smile on the camera. All you have to do is just go do your thing, strike a pose. When you guys are ready, you take your picture, and that's it. However, if you're recording a video too, you don't want to, click on it then go back to start your video. That was another memory and all that. So you can just set your camera, start when you're about to start, click on it, and your video starts, or you start recording whatever you want. It's really, really lovely. The fact that you could go Bluetooth wise, wireless to start a video remotely or take pictures remotely, it's a welcoming idea. Settings, and from settings you look for your Bluetooth. Right now you can see all the devices that I have. I've used it before, that is why I have the AB Shorter 3, but if you've not used it, surely to scan and you'll be able to discover it. Right now my shorter switch is still turned off. There's a switch beside the remote control. Just turn it on, and after that you would see that it becomes discoverable. You can see that, and it's connected automatically. So that's how quick and easy it is. And when you're done, remember to switch it off so that you can save on battery. That's it. Easy and straightforward.